Step into the 2018 Kia Niro Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and clock, in-dash. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.